Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Use your existing Instagram login or sign up with phone or email to create a Threads account. Once done, tap to import profile data and choose a clear handle. This matters for discovery. Make a short bio that explains what you'll post. Grant the app required permissions so it can sync followers and notify you. If you value privacy, set the account to private in settings, otherwise leave it public to grow reach quickly. Now customize how Threads works for you. Go into settings and fine-tune notifications, linked Instagram accounts, and content filters so your feed stays useful. Once configured, follow people and creators who match your goals. That immediately populates a productive feed. Learn post composition, short text, optional link preview, attach images or videos, and tag people. Use drafts for planned posts. Also explore reply threading and reposting. Finish strong by posting consistently. Lead with a clear hook, include 1 to 3 relevant tags or mentions, and add an image or link to boost engagement. Once you post, monitor replies and moderate. Mute, block, or restrict accounts that derail conversations. Set comment filters for keywords. If you encounter problems, posting errors, missing followers, or crashes, first log out and back in, update or reinstall the app and clear cache. If those steps fail, contact support and document the issue with screenshots for faster help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.